Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Abby, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. In today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a wash and go. I'm finally showing you guys how I do my wash and go. So if you are interested and you want to see how your girl did this wash and go, very easy, very quick, please stay tuned for more. So my hair is still in the 4 sections that I washed it in. I haven't used the comb and we don't plan on to. I'm gonna start with the back section, and this is my hair. You know, wash, no product whatsoever. Water dripping everywhere. So I'm going to spray some of the leave-in into the section. I like to do the whole section with the leave-in instead of like having to do, you know, part by part. That's just too much work, you know. Now I'm going to split my hair in half, and then we are going to part that section away, and then we are going to take some of the extreme wet line gel, and the smaller the section, the better. That half I'm going to take apart, clip it away, and then I'm going to take some gel, put it at my ends, and then go up my hair strand. Make sure all of that is in there. And then what I like to do is actually, I roll it in between my fingers to curl it up. And I don't really need it like curly because it's about to go in a puff. So we're doing an wash and go afro puff. So this is the first section done, and then I'm going to do the rest. Okay. Take the next section. Again. So I am done with one section of my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it in the front as well, and how I shingle it so that you can get the curls to show up even more. So same as I was doing for my hair, it seems like it's drying up a bit for this, so I'm gonna spray some water into my hair with the Shea Moisture leave-in. I'm going to spray that into my hands. How it's very light. When I say it's like real light. You know, it's good to put a leave-in when you do your wash and go, considering that the gel you're using has, you know, alcohol. It can be drying, so putting a leave-in or some type of butter oil to pre-moisturize your hair and seal in the moisture really helps. And this is the method that works for me because it doesn't leave my hair heavy at all, and then, you know, it helps it also dry much faster as well. So same thing that I did, I'm going to separate my hair in half, clip one side away, and then the other half I'm going to split that into 2 sections and clip that part away. The smaller the sections, the easier it is to actually, you know, get your hair to clump up together and shingle. So take the gel and I like to go and rub it up and down as much as possible, especially, you know, the ends. And then what I do is I take a section, and I don't even know how to explain this part, but I kind of just weave it in between my fingers so that it can clump together. And then we take another one. I tend to put it in between and just go like that. And you just repeat the same steps over and over again. So add some gel, go down, smooth it so your hair can clump together as much as possible. And then take in sections. So I am done with one side of my hair. This is how it's looking. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did here to the other side. And when I'm finished, I will be right back. And voila, I am done with my wash and go. I'm going to let it air dry a bit before I put it into the puff. That way, you know, my puff can be bigger and whatnot. If you are in a rush, you can just kind of diffuse your hair, blow dry it out, and then put it into a puff. But since I have time today, I'm just gonna let it air dry for a bit and then put it into a puff. So I will be back in a couple of hours. It has been about 2 hours, maybe. I think, yeah, maybe 2 hours. Went out and got some food and then came back and ate. But yeah, my hair, as you guys can see, let me take the brightness down so y'all can see. My wash and go complete. So I actually put some bobby pins in front to kind of push the hair back. My hair has this tendency of one side shrinking up more than the other. So as you can see, this side hangs a little bit lower than this side. But honestly, I'm not tripping too much because we got our wash and go. But yeah, this is it for a wash and go. Honestly, you can wear it like this, and sometimes when I do wash and goes, I will wear it like this for about like 3-4 days and then put it into a high puff and rock that for another like 3 days before I wash my hair again. But it's very easy to do. It literally took me an hour. And in the mornings, when I put my bonnet on in the morning, I take off my bonnet and I just shake my hair out to fluff it up and give it more volume, and I call it a day. And that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.